Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you no permission request showing on Android, right? So let me show you. First of all, you have to just go into the settings of your phone, right? It doesn't matter if you're using an iOS or iPhone, I mean iOS or Android, it's fine. Once you go into the settings, just try to find your app manager, right? So maybe you can just search app or you can just directly go to the app management, right? And if you just go to the app management, just click on here, app management, right? Once you are here, it will show you all the application which is installed on your phone, right? So here you can see that if I just go here, right, and here if you face this issue, for example, if you're not able to see this permission, right, if for example you can see that I can't do anything even though I tap so many times, right? For example, if I type here, it opens something, right? But here I can't. So what do you have to do? For example, let me show you in this application. You can see if I click here, I get to see all the permission which this application is required, right? So for example, if you're not able to see the permission app, it means that that app doesn't require any permissions, right? For example, if I just go here, this application doesn't require any permission my phone, right? If I just go to any of the other, for example, if I just go to calculator, you can see there's no permission required for calculator, right? Why it will ask you that I want the access of files and everything, right? So it's fine. If I just go to the camera here, you can see that it takes my permission of this camera, files and media, so it required. So basically you don't need to be tense. It means that it doesn't require any permission. So I hope you found this video useful.